Yeah. Pathogen. Ladies, hello YouTubers, Assalamu alaikum. It's Yusuf here from Yusuf Academy. Today we are going to talk about defense and against disease, pathogens and infection. The human body has many methods preventing pathogens from entering the body. If pathogens do get into the body, however, your immune system goes into actions. Okay. The human body has several ways of preventing disease-causing microbes from entering. These are called natural defense. Natural defenses: eyes, respiratory system, cilia, digestive system, skin. Eyes, the tear gland produce an enzyme that happens when something strange enters the eyes. This enzyme called lysozyme that acts as an antiseptic, killing some microbes free in the eyes. Respiratory system. In the respiratory system, your nose and ear passages are lined with cells that produces a sticky substances called mucus, which trap dirt and microbes. That is the flow of mucus making cells. Cilia. This is the cilia, ciliated hair. Tiny hairs called cilia move the mucus and microbes to your throat, where it is swallowed and then is passed out of your body. Digestive system. Stomach acid. Everybody knows that stomach has hydrochloric acid, which kills the microbes in your food. We may also vomit, as food containing microbes often tastes horrible. Skin is our outer frontier, forms a barrier to microbes. Gland in the skin makes an antiseptic oil that kills many microbes. Even if the skin is broken, blood clots form to prevent microbes from entering. Okay. The immune system response. If pathogens get or manage to enter your body, white blood cells will deal with it. Because white blood cells travel around in your blood, spring into action. White blood cell can make chemical called antitoxins that destroy the toxins produced by bacteria. White blood cells called phagocytes try to engulf bacteria or viruses before they have a chance to do any harm in the body. However, if the pathogens are in large number, the other type of white blood cell called lymphocytes are involved. All the germs have chemicals on their surface called antigens. Lymphocytes recognize these antigens as a foreign. Lymphocytes produce chemicals called antibodies that attach these antigens and clump them together. Phagocytes can then engulf and destroy the bacteria and viruses. So it's integrated work between phagocytes and lymphocytes. Immunity. Immunity is two kinds. Natural immunity in our bodies. Making antibodies takes time, which is why you feel ill at first, and then get better as the disease is destroyed by the white blood cell, lymphocyte and phagocyte, and antibodies. Once a particular antibody is made, it stays in your body. If the same disease enters your body, the antibodies are much quicker at destroying it, and you feel no symptoms. You are now immune to the disease, because the antibodies will recognize the disease. Artificial immunity, you need help from outside. The use of vaccine contain dead or harmless germs. These germs still have antigens on them, and your white blood cell respond to them as if they were alive by multiplying and producing antibodies. A vaccine is an advance warning, so that if the person is infected by the germ, the white blood cell can respond immediately and kill them. Antibiotics. Sometimes bacteria get through the body's defenses and reproduce successfully. In this case, outside help in the form of antibiotics is needed to kill the microbes. Antibiotics kill the microbes without harming the body cells. Penicillin was the first form of antibiotic. It is made from a mold called penicillin notatum. Antibiotics cannot treat infection caused by viruses. The body has to fight them on its own. Antibiotics can kill most bacteria, but as we continue to use them, bacteria are becoming resistant to them, get used to them, and become familiar to them. New antibiotics are constantly needed to fight the battle against bacteria. There are no drugs to kill viruses. You just have to wait for your body to deal with them. Prevention, or preventing the spread of germs. Sterilize equipment used in food preparations or in operating theaters by heating it to a temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. Use disinfectants on work surfaces and areas where germs thrive, such as toilets. Antiseptics can kill germs on living tissue. For example, if we cut ourselves. General good hygiene is important in preventing the spread of disease. Examples including washing hands after going to the toilet, cooking food thoroughly, and keep food in the fridge or freezer. This method prevents bacteria from multiplying and causing disease. Let's have some quick questions regarding pathogens and infection. The first question, what is the job of mucus? Is it the first option? It traps dust and microbe, or it kills the microbe in your food. It acts as antiseptic. The first one is the correct answer. The second question, we can sterilize equipment by heating it to a temperature of 150 to 100, 140, 120 degrees Celsius. The last answer is the correct one. Phagocytes and antitoxins are two types of white blood cells that are involved in the immune response. It's false. Yes, because it's phagocyte and lymphocytes are two types of white blood cells that are involved in the immune responses. The last question, antitoxin attach to the antigen and clump them together. That's false. This is a job of the white blood cell. So antitoxin destroy toxin produced by bacteria. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for listening. See you next time.